Hello friends, this video on Semiconductors Part 9 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till Part 8 before going ahead with Part 9. So now it is time that we start studying about practical applications of the semiconductors. So first we will talk about semiconductor diode. So we will see what is a semiconductor diode, how does it make use of p-n junction, which we discussed just now. So what is a semiconductor diode? It is a two-terminal device which allows unidirectional flow of current. So this is the key point when we talk about a diode, that is unidirectional. That means diode will have two terminals. Maybe one is used for input and the other one is for output. It will allow current to flow only in one direction. As you remember in the introduction slide, I was talking about valves. I told that valves were some devices which allowed unidirectional flow of current. So this diode was again a device which allowed unidirectional flow of current. So what is a diode? I mean, when you look at its structure, what is it actually? It is nothing but a p-n junction with metallic contacts at ends for application of external voltage. So diode is not a new thing. It is just a p-n junction. Just that you add metallic contacts on both sides of the p-n junction so that you can apply some external voltage to this p-n junction. So now under this topic of semiconductor diode, we will learn how the diode behaves under application of different voltages. We will study all those things. So now you understand why understanding the p-n junction was so important. Now how do we symbolically represent a semiconductor diode? It is shown here. Here, if you look at it, it has a big arrow. What does this arrow represent? It represents the direction of conventional current. When I say conventional current, I mean the current in a direction opposite to the direction of electron flow. Right? So this represents that it allows current to flow only in this direction. So for a diode, this is positive, this is negative, because this arrow is along this direction. That means it is telling that the conventional current is along this direction. So this is positive and this is negative. Let us now talk about biasing of a diode. Now diode and for semiconductor diode, we normally use the term diode. So what do I mean by biasing of a diode? As I mentioned in the previous slide, that diode is nothing but a p-n junction with metallic contacts where we can apply external voltage. So application of external voltage across a diode is known as biasing of a diode. If I am telling that this diode is biased, that means this diode has been supplied with some external voltage. So some external voltage has been supplied across the diode, then the diode is said to be biased. Now there are two kinds of biasing of a diode. One is called forward biasing and the other one is reverse biasing. So what is a forward biasing? When the positive of the diode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, we say that the diode is forward biased. Let us suppose if this is the diode, this is my p-n junction. So this is positive, this is negative. So the positive of the diode is connected to the positive terminal, negative of the diode is connected to the negative terminal. So this is forward biasing. Similarly, in case of reverse biasing, positive of the diode connected to the negative of the battery. So this is positive which is connected to the negative of battery. Again, this is negative which is connected to the positive of battery. If you use the symbol for diode, you can do it in this way. If this is my diode, this is positive, this is negative. So in forward biasing, it is connected like this. In reverse biasing, it is connected like this. So this positive and this is negative, right? So you understand what is forward biasing and what is reverse biasing. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos,
Try free online tests. Get the best quality study materials. Study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.